This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Julie Frushel. Immaculate, first floor, maintenance-free condo in desirable Stoneybrook Golf and Country Club. This home is turnkey furnished and move-in ready. Delightful 2-bedroom/2-bath, open floor plan makes this condo easy to live in. With front and rear screened in lanai, you can enjoy lovely cross breezes and extra, fresh air living spaces. This open concept condo enjoys peaceful, tropical views of the green space and preserve. Fresh neutral paint, clean lines and loads of natural light are throughout this impressive home. There is a spacious one-car garage with plenty of room for beach toys and bikes. Master bedroom boasts 2 walk-in closets, an additional glass door to the lanai, and bay windows with private views of nature. A separate laundry room with storage closet is a bonus. Sellers are offering a home warranty for additional peace of mind. Veranda Way has its own heated pool, tennis/pickleball court and outdoor lounge area. Stoneybrook Golf CC is close to area beaches, shopping, arts, Costco, Legacy Trail and all Sarasota has to offer. The club amenities are superb, offering an 18-hole Arthur Hills designed golf course, lighted Har-Tru tennis facilities, well-equipped fitness center, walking/biking trails, fishing, putting greens, driving range, well-stocked pro shop, full-service restaurant/bar/meeting rooms, additional heated pool/spa, bocce court, and loads of activities to choose from. Welcome home to this gated, active community and experience Florida Country Club living at its finest. Ask for your free link to virtually tour this amazing home today. For more information, review the details below.